So, you're in the market for a new home? Welcome to Bethel Towns, Mauldin's newest low-maintenance townhome community, walkable to Bethel Elementary and 3 minutes to I-385. My name is Melissa and I'd love to show you around, so let's get started. Bethel Towns offers luxury 2-story townhomes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a private patio. Convenience is of utmost importance with a 1-car garage and an extra wide driveway for parking. Inside, an open floor plan will welcome you home to 42-inch Timberlake cabinetry, granite or quartz countertops, GE stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful island in your gourmet kitchen. No detail was left out with our carefully crafted interior designer packages. Did I mention that you'll love the convenience of this location? Running errands or commuting to work will be a breeze when you're only 3 minutes to I-385. You'll also find local grocery stores like Publix and Aldi just around the corner. Looking for the newest hotspot in Greenville? Check out Bridgeway Station, where you will find restaurants, breweries, shopping, and more only 4 minutes away. Head to downtown Greenville, where you will discover everything from local art to theater productions and festivals. Back in the community, you'll love meeting friends and neighbors at the Community Pavilion and Fire Pit to make s'mores and relax after a long day. Even your pets will feel at home in Bethel Towns at the Community Dog Park. So, does Bethel Towns sound like the perfect fit for you? Take the next step and schedule your visit today. I can't wait to welcome you home.